Hi, I'm Matthew Hayward. I look after the mining industries, and today I'm just going to discuss a little bit on spray analysis. One of the services we provide is doing spray audits in the mining industry, but to take the spray audits a bit further, we can do a spray analysis of of your mine site. So basically what we do is we find out all the locations you have on site where you have sprays fitted, and basically we take pressure readings from all those locations. From there we basically stick all that information into a spreadsheet, and based on the nozzles that you currently have on site, we can work out how much water you're adding to your system. So basically we take the tonnage of the ore that's on all the conveyors and basically use a calculation based on what we know about our own nozzles at a given pressure, and we can determine exactly how much moisture you're adding into the ore flow on all the different conveyors. By doing this, we can then determine if you've got the right size nozzles, or we can change the nozzles to a more suitable output so you can get the moisture range usually within the 6% range you need for export. And this way you can maximise your dust suppression and dust management control and still keep within the limits of your moisture limits available to send out. So by doing this, basically the spreadsheet fills out and I enter all the locations. If it exceeds the limits, then I can basically say we've got put smaller nozzles in at given points, or we can put them in a larger size at given points. It also helps us determine if we need to put additional sprays in and what locations. Generally, once we've got all the locations worked out, we work first out all your dust suppression sprays across site. So basically all your drop points, stockpiles, transfer chutes, we work out all your dust suppression sprays. We then take that figure off basically what's owing now, so allowable moisture content. Then we can work out all your dust prevention sprays, so all the locations got across site. We then divide this number by all the locations and then how many nozzles are going to fit in the locations, and we can determine the exact nozzle capacity output for each of the sizes. Now this helps a lot because a lot of the mine sites were never originally designed properly with a spray analysis to work out the moisture content, and many times they're oversized, and this is resulting in most sites isolating many spray points because of the carryback issues they're having. So by doing this, we can exactly work out where the issues are and what to rectify to make it work a lot better. It also helps a lot because a lot of the mine sites are increasing the tonnage per hour, so of course in increasing this, the sprays are not adequate. So this way we can reassess if you've got the right size and what sizes we need to increase, or the additional spray points. Additionally, we can then use it into your existing systems and give feedback to know exactly where you're putting moisture to add in the circuit. So if you've basically got moisture analysing stations, we can determine where we can turn the sprays on and off at what locations to keep the moisture at its maximum amount, and this will result in the minimum amounts of dust on site without exceeding these limits.